Hey guys, so we are in San Francisco with Topdeck, and what is more iconic here than the Golden Gate Bridge? See it for yourself. Wait, cut. Can we get someone to clear the fog? Fog. You're telling me we can't clear the fog? So for my Instagram enthusiasts, you might want to block your ears for this. Instead of fighting it or getting angry because it's ruining the shot, today we're going to embrace it and check it out from as many angles as possible. Last night with the Topdeck family in San Fran, so we're going on a sunset catamaran cruise. I'm telling you, seeing the Golden Gate Bridge like this with the fog is the authentic San Fran experience you want. Guys, thank you for watching 60 Seconds with Sarah, and I'll see you next time.